In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal donation button to your Wix site. This is a great way to engage your audience. Whether you're a nonprofit looking for contributions or a content creator seeking support from your followers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a functioning donation button ready to accept payments directly to your PayPal account. Let's get started. First, we need to open the Wix editor. From your Wix site's dashboard, you'll see an option that says Edit Site. This is your portal to making changes and customizing your site's appearance and functionality. Click on Edit Site to launch the editor. You'll want to wait a moment as it loads, and then you'll see your site's layout ready for editing on the screen. Next, let's add a button to your site. On the left sidebar, there are various icons that represent different tools and options you can add to your site. Look for the plus icon, which stands for Add Elements. When you click on this, you'll see a menu of options like text, images, and most importantly, buttons. Select Button from this menu. Within the button options, scroll until you find PayPal buttons. Here is where you'll be able to choose the specific type of PayPal button you're interested in adding. Now it's time to add the button to your site. Look for the Donate button among the available options. You'll see it offers a simple and clear way to encourage visitors to support your cause or content. With your mouse, click and drag the Donate button to the spot on your page where you want it to appear. Consider placing it somewhere easily noticeable, but not intrusive, perhaps on a sidebar or at the end of your page. Once you're happy with its placement, release your mouse to drop the button into place. After positioning your button, it's vital to connect your PayPal account so that donations go directly to you. Click on the button to open its settings. Within these settings, there will be an option to Connect PayPal. Click on this to either sign into your PayPal account or enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. This step ensures that all donations made through this button are sent to you securely. Now that your button is connected, let's customize it. In the Settings menu, you'll have several customization options. You can change the button template to ensure it clearly indicates its function as a Donate button. You'll also be able to set either a fixed donation amount or allow donors to choose their own amount. Customizing the design, such as the color, shape, and text style, can help it blend with your site's design or stand out as needed. Once everything is set to your satisfaction, go ahead and publish your site. This will make your PayPal button live, so visitors can start making donations right away. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. By adding a donation button, you've created an accessible and straightforward way for your audience to support you financially. Happy fundraising!